Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'll be showing you how to delete search history in Microsoft Bing. Now remember to head over to your Chrome browser or whichever browser you're using and then type in bing.com/chat and it will take you to this page. Or you could access Microsoft Bing using your Microsoft Edge account. Now, you want to also head over to www.bing.com and it will take you to this page. So that is the various ways that you can access Microsoft's Bing. All right. Next, you want to make sure that you're properly signed in so you can access deleting your search history from Microsoft's Bing. Now head over to the three dotted icons over here at the top. Now click on that and it will take you to the page where you would navigate deleting your search history from Microsoft's Bing. Now head over to settings, which is where you have the opportunity to carry out all of these activities. Click on that and it will take you to the next page. Remember, deleting your Bing search history helps to protect your privacy and keeps your search from influencing future results. Now, if you want to keep your search history private, this is how you go about it, by deleting your search history from Microsoft Bing. Having accessed this page, the next thing you want to head over is to this search bar over here and then type in delete search history quickly and it take you to the next page. So this is where you can delete search history. So you can just head over here to clear browsing data. Now choose what to clear and then you want to delete your browsing history, so you just check this particular box over here. All right, you can also decide to check download history because these are all parts of your browsing history. You can also decide to check either of these ones if this is what you want to also delete, and when you're done you just click on clear now and everything will clear. You can also set the particular time you want to clear your browsing history. When you just click on this, it will take you to this page where you can select what you want to clear and the time you want to clear it. You can also navigate to the bottom over here and you get more information on how to clear your browsing history. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you've been able to learn how to delete search history in Microsoft Bing. It's an easy and straightforward method and I hope it was seamless for you. Until next time, bye for now.